Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to withdraw, how long does it take to withdraw from Fliff. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Fliff app. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, you'll be seeing something like this on your screen. Now on the bottom bar you'll be seeing a bunch of options, and now on the center you'll be seeing your profile option. Simply tap on that. Now once you're inside there, you'll find an option that says redeem Fliff cash. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, there you'll be seeing this redeem Fliff cash option, and under it you'll be seeing the Fliff cash balance right here, and then available to redeem balance right here, and under it you'll find the price redemption methods, that is instant bank transfer, which is the fastest, and other options like Skrill and in standard bank transfer. Now keep in mind that the minimum balance in order to withdraw is $50 and the maximum is $5,000. All you gotta do now is just simply select the option between these three and then follow the on-screen instructions to successfully withdraw from Fliff. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.